In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Moody cinematic black and white AI portrait with ChatGPT. We'll go through the entire process from preparing your photo to creating a dramatic cinematic portrait using a detailed prompt. Start by opening ChatGPT in your browser and logging into your account. Make sure you're using a version that supports image generation and editing so you can work directly with a photo. If you're using a portrait of another person, always get their permission first and choose a clear, high-resolution image to achieve the best possible result. Next, click the plus icon beside the message box and upload your portrait photo. Try to use an image where the face is clearly visible and in sharp focus. While a simple background can make things easier, it's not required because your prompt will guide the overall appearance of the final image. If you have several versions of the same portrait, choose the sharpest one, especially the one with the best detail in the eyes and skin, since those features play a major role in creating a striking black and white portrait. Once your image is uploaded, it's time to guide the AI with a detailed prompt. The more specific your instructions are, the more closely the final image will match your vision. Include details about the mood, the direction of the lighting, the amount of contrast, the features you want to emphasize, and the framing. You can also specify a preferred lens length or aspect ratio to help achieve the composition you're looking for. For this particular style, we're aiming for a classic film noir look with dramatic lighting and bold shadows. The lighting technique known as chiaroscuro uses intense side lighting to shape the face while leaving part of it in deep shadow, creating a powerful cinematic effect. After uploading your image, paste this prompt. Create a high-contrast black and white close-up portrait of the person in the picture. The image should feature intense, moody side lighting, chiaroscuro, that leaves half the face in deep shadow. Focus on skin texture, sharp eye detail, and a minimalist, dark background. 85mm lens, 45 ratio, cinematic film noir style. Feel free to adjust words like high contrast, side lighting, or minimalist until the result matches your personal style. If the first image isn't exactly what you imagined, make small refinements by asking for deeper shadows, a softer light fall-off, or more separation between the subject and the background. Once you're happy with the final image, save it from the chat in the highest available resolution. If you plan to share it online, check that the crop matches the 4:5 ratio you requested, and make sure the eyes remain crisp and well-defined, since those details help sell the cinematic look. And that's it. Log in, upload your photo, write a detailed prompt, and save your finished black and white portrait. Follow these tips, and you'll consistently create stunning cinematic results with ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,